Plumbers United, do you have an emergency right now?
No, I don't have emergency, but I have a question. Can you answer a question for me?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Before we continue, may I ask for your first name?
My name is Bobby.
Thank you, Bobby. How can I assist you today?
So I have a clogged kitchen sink. I'm trying to figure out how can I unclog this sink.
You can try using a plunger to unclog the kitchen sink. Fill the sink with enough water to cover the plunger, then place the plunger over the drain and pump it up and down several times. If that doesn't work, you can also try using a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to break up the clog. Pour hot water down the drain afterward to help clear it. Do you perhaps have another question?
Yeah, so do you know what type of vinegar I need to buy?
White distilled vinegar is typically used for cleaning and unclogging drains.
Okay. Well, yeah, I'll try that, but I'll call back if I can't get it fixed, okay?
Do you perhaps have another question?
No, I don't have no more questions. Thank you.
Thank you for reaching out. If you have any further questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to contact us. Have a great day. Plumbers United, do you have an emergency right now?
I have a big emergency. The water's coming out of my kitchen sink. I cannot stop it.
I can certainly help with that. Do you have another question? Or could you provide your phone number so a manager can contact you to arrange for a plumber to come to your home?
Yes, 323-570-1463.
Thank you for providing your phone number. I will have a manager call you back as soon as they are available to assist with your plumbing emergency.
Thank you.
Plumbers United, do you have an emergency right now?
No, I don't have an emergency.
What is your first name, please?
Bobby.
Thank you for providing the information. If you have any questions related to plumbing or any other topic, feel free to ask.
Yeah,
Do you
so
perhaps...
yeah, let me ask a question real quick. I don't understand how plumbing really works. Can you give me a breakdown of how the plumbing with the toilet works in the house?
The plumbing system in your home is composed of two separate subsystems. One subsystem brings fresh water in and the other takes wastewater out. The water that comes into your home is under pressure. It enters your home under enough pressure to allow it to travel upstairs, around corners or wherever else it's needed. As water comes into your home, it passes through a meter that registers the amount you use. The main water shutoff or stop valve is typically located close to the meter. In a plumbing emergency, it's vital that you quickly close the main shutoff valve. Otherwise, when a pipe bursts, it can flood your house in no time. If the emergency, like a leak, is confined to a sink, shower or toilet, however, you may not want to turn off your entire water supply. Therefore, most fixtures should have individual stop valves. Water from the main supply is immediately ready for your cold water needs. The hot water supply, however, requires another step.
So hold on.
One
Let me
pipe
let me ask
carries
you a
water.
question. Let me ask you a question about the hot water supply. So with the pipes, how do I know when the pipes are bad? Like I have an old house. How do I know that the pipes are bad?
Some signs of bad pipes include low water pressure, discolored water, foul odors, and unusual sounds coming from pipes. Additionally, visible signs of corrosion or leaks are indicators of pipe issues. Regular inspections and maintenance can help identify and address potential problems with your plumbing system.
So what can a plumber do? Can they come out to check to see if my piping is bad? Because I just got this house. It's old though.
A plumber can perform a thorough inspection of the piping system to check for signs of corrosion, leaks, or other issues that may indicate the pipes are bad. This inspection can help identify any potential problems and determine the best course of action to address them. Plumbers United, do you have an emergency right now?
No, I do not have an emergency, but I have a question.
What is your first name, and how can I assist you today?
My name is Bobby, and I wanted to know how can I put in a proper sink in my bathroom. I want to make sure I got the right one, and I'm new to this.
To install a bathroom sink, you will need to start by turning off the water supply to the sink. Then, disconnect the water supply lines and the drain pipe. After that, remove the old sink and clean the area. Next, install the new faucet and drain assembly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, reconnect the water supply lines and the drain pipe. Do you perhaps have another question?
No, I don't have any more questions. Thank you.
Thank you for reaching out. Have a great day.
La 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 la. Man, that water is really coming out.
Plumbers United, do you have an emergency right now?
Yeah, I got a lot of water coming out of my kitchen sink. I need help ASAP.
What is your first name?
Bobby.
Do you perhaps have another question?
No, I just need help with this kitchen sink.
I can see that you need help with your kitchen sink. Could you please provide your number so that a manager can call you back as soon as possible?
Okay, so my number is 323-405-1236.
I will have a manager call you right back.
Okay, thanks.